Combine like terms. 2x cubed y minus y cubed plus xy cubed plus 8 minus 6x cubed y minus x squared y squared plus 11. Like terms have the exact same combination of variables, including the exponents, so what we'll notice is this is an x cubed y and this is an x cubed y. And so those are like terms. We can combine those together. So what we have is this is equal to 2 minus 6 times x cubed y. Now we have a y cubed here. There is no other term that has only y cubed, so minus y cubed. Here we have xy cubed. There is no other term with a xy cubed, so plus xy cubed. Then we have x squared y squared, no other term like that, so minus x squared y cubed. And then last, we'll do the constant, so we have plus 8 plus 11 to be combined. Simplifying one more step, 2 minus 6 is negative 4x cubed y minus y cubed plus xy cubed minus x squared y squared plus 19, and that would be our final answer.